Hi, I'm Harish Godeti and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about another important aspect of the AWS Partner Program. One of the most important role of AWS Partner Program. That's what we are going to talk about today. It's going to be interesting because people think, from my interactions, what I understood is businesses leaders who want to be partner program, they think the partners grow automatically and things. As you do projects, you'll just go ahead and get the tiers and things like that. That's not going to happen. It doesn't work that way. The AWS Partner Program is very, what do you call it, robust. At the same time, it has a lot of back end work that needs to happen in the right way for the to enable the success of the partner. So and all of it is done with one person or with one, not person or a team, but one specific role, and that's what we're going to learn about it today. So let's dive in. So let's, before we jump into the role, let's understand what is the different phases of the partner program. The first thing is a business learns about the benefits of partner program while providing AWS consulting services and not doing or providing without being a partner program, right? And they understand that benefit and then they enroll into the AWS partner program. That's how generally most of the stuff start. Like most businesses, that's how they start. They go ahead and register because they understand the benefits of the program. So once they are in, they start, they understand the basics, basically, like creating a couple of opportunities in this portal and things like that, and they start working on the opportunities, and someone from AWS account team will reach out to them and they start discussing with them. So that's the relationship building phase where you get to know your account manager, partner development manager, and things like that. And the third stage is growth. So you continuously, the partner successfully delivers the services and products and moves to the next partner tier. So this is generally the layout, or this is generally the phases of any partner, any AWS partner, or in fact it will be the same phase for any other vendor as well, not just AWS. It could be Azure or cloud or Google Cloud, right? So these three phases are something that everyone see from outside, right? This is what they think. This is how it will happen. But first, let's look at one of the partner, a premier partner, Slalom, and look at the partner portfolio on Partner Solutions Finder. On the left, you see the competencies. Look at the ton of competencies they have, right? So SaaS competency, workloads, Microsoft workloads, DevOps, migration, analytics, machine learning, security. Those are like a ton of competencies that they have. And partner programs, if you see premier tier services, public sector, immersion days, so they have programs. And the validations, they have, like, so many validations on the as well. And finally the certifications that they have in the people in the on the team, right? So this, in order to get to this level, it didn't have, yes, it's a very big partner, but even to get one competency and one, for example, at service delivery, you did a couple of projects on Lambda. To get the Lambda delivery designation, there is a ton of back-end work that has to happen, right? To for AWS to recognize your work and give you that particular, competency or validation. So that's where the role comes in, and it is called Alliance Lead. The most important role for the success of a partner business is Alliance Lead. It can be an individual or a team, so there is an option to add Alliance team members in the portal. It can be an individual or a team, but they have to have expert level knowledge on the program and can guide the business leader to achieve relevant designations, competencies, and tiers quickly, right? So it's not that they say, hey, you have to do, it says like you have to do 15 opportunities to get to advanced tier, so that means 15 projects. No, it's not. You have to be creative enough. They need to have the knowledge, they need to know the workarounds, they need to know the different ways that you can structure a project into opportunities so that you meet those tiers very quickly. So all this knowledge is something that the Alliance team members and the lead should have to be able to get the partner to the next level, get the relevant designations very quickly. And when you get those designations, that's when AWS will start recognizing you and probably, drive some leads towards you, right? So that's really the whole alliance lead, role. That's the I mean, the partner business entirely depends on the alliance lead. So now, what does the alliance lead to? Here, these are some of the things, but that's not limited. So I just put some things that fill, uh, anything that can actually show you the scope of work, right? So basically the first thing comes to my mind is program management, user onboarding, partner solutions finder setup, restructuring past projects to create case studies, partner tier management, partner service validations, funding requests, pay central accounts, update marketplace offerings. So that's just not it. That's just to give you an idea around program management. Then they are service offerings. So 2024, the changes are that you need to tie service offerings to your ACE opportunities, right? So what are the service offerings as per the guidelines, define them, publish the service offerings on the website, creating the marketing campaigns using the marketing central, work with approved digital agencies to launch marketing campaigns. So the service offerings and marketing piece is a big one as well. Then you have the pipeline management, understanding the scope of the project, creating the opportunities from them, and attach the spend to individual opportunities to meet the opportunity count as well as the requirements for each tier. Work with internal team and AWS teams to track and accelerate opportunities. When you're applying for funding, the opportunities should follow a specific naming convention to go ahead and submit the funding request. So understanding and doing all of this work is an alliance team and alliance leads work. So you may have a question like, how do you understand this, right? So my whole goal was to be a partner myself, in the beginning, like, to build a partner business myself alone. So I spent like over 200 or 300 hours understanding the in and out of the partner program. I read every manual, everything, and then I partnered with Veridium to help them get these partner designations and stuff. So both the knowledge and the experience counts, and that's how I came to know all of these things. And I'm publishing this knowledge because no one in AWS or anyone on the internet tells you this. It is only me that I'm sharing this knowledge, because if you find anything about AWS Partner Program on the internet, you won't find anything except what I'm sharing right now. So that's and I'm an open person. I just want to make sure everyone grows their business, whether it is through me or whether on their own. But I just want to share my knowledge, that and also help them go through these blockers that I ran into very quickly. So the big question that every business have: do you need to hire a full-time alliance lead? So pay them the benefits, pay them the relocation costs or office space. Do you need that? My bet is outsource your alliance lead activities till you reach advanced tier and have at least two competencies. Till that time, don't hire a full-time alliance lead, because the cost is going to be too much and you won't have that much amount of work for them to do. So outsource that, and either me, or if you find someone who is more knowledgeable or equally knowledgeable on a partner program, just go ahead and outsource those alliance lead activities to them, so they can go ahead and do it for you. So that's, if you need my help, reach out to me on leave a comment or send my contact information is available. Reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help. So that's the story of the importance of alliance lead role in the success of AWS Partner Program. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon. Thank you.